Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Proud Money on SatoWallet app. Well, we're going to visit the SatoWallet website, and here the list of the apps. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store. That is the PC version. Well, right now we're going to use the PC version because they kind of have the same interface, and I've already downloaded the PC version on my PC and I've signed in. So here's the PC version, and here's the amount I have right now in my wallet. And all you need to do to sign in is get an email address and set up a password. Then you're good to go. And this Google Auth is another layer of security to make sure your funds are very secure. And your funds are on cold storage. But here are the list of coins on the app, and we're gonna use Proud Money right now. Okay, here's Proud Money, and you can either scroll down or you can use this search bar right here to search for a coin, which is a lot more easier. Proud Money. Okay. Well, here's my Proud Money balance, and here's this balance here's this equivalent balance in USD, and here's the transactions history, and you can click show all transactions to show you the remaining of the transactions. Okay, and okay, if you want to send, just go to send and type in a friend's address. This is just an example, that's not an address, and you type in the amount. If you want to reduce the amount, you can use this or this to add. And this is the fee deductor, and it shows in dollar here and dollar here. And if you want, there is a transaction coming. If you want to say something, you can just type in and click on transfer, and the transfer will begin. And if you want to receive, then the person you're receiving the coin from, you have to scan this barcode or use this address. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So we're going to jump to swap coins. Well, auto exchange from currency to currency and amount to swap. Well, from currency, this is we're going to choose the coin we're swapping from. Okay, right now we're using Proud Money, so we look for Proud Money here. Okay, Proud Money. Okay, this to currency, we can choose any other coin to swap to. This is just an example, so we're going to choose this dash. Okay, amount to swap, let's say 34. Okay, this 34 exceeds my balance, that's why it's showing this exceeds my Proud Money balance, and this button here is not enabled. So if you want to make a transfer, you have to take it low, take it down, that actually doesn't exceed your balance. You see this one shows up and that text disappears. So 5 Proud is equivalent to 0.0454 USD, and it's also equivalent to 0.0002 dash. Okay, that's swap. Okay, let's see exchange. Okay, exchange, this is the market, and here are the list of coins you can exchange with. Okay, you're gonna search for Proud because we're using Proud right now. Okay, BTC to Proud. Okay, here are the list of transactions, the data for Proud between BTC to Proud just for today on SatoWallet, and this data changes every 24 hours every day. So this is the buying part and this is the selling part. So if you want to buy, you type in the amount you want to buy, and it will show you in dollar here the amount. This is the BTC price because we chose BTC to Proud, so BTC is going to show up here, and here's the BTC dollar amount. and here it's going to sell, buy too. Well, clicking on either one of these is going to make you an order. This is for buying and this is for selling. Well, if you make an order and you're going to see your order, then you just go to my orders. The order is going to show up right here, and if you don't want to go on with your order, then you can just cancel the order. There will be a cancel button right here, and the order will be deleted once you cancel. So, and if you want to make another order, you just go back to trade and order again, and the order will show up right here again in your orders, in my orders. Okay, this is the trade history between BTC and PRAL. So here are the types and prices and amount. Okay, types are the buys and the sells. Okay, prices, these are the figures, and amounts, here are the figures as well. Okay, let's jump to currency. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Right now I'm using USD, so we're gonna see another currency. Okay, here are the list of currencies. It's a long list, so we're gonna choose one of them to change. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, so it's gonna take some seconds to change. Good, currency has been changed, so let's go back to my coins to see what happened. Okay, so before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing this GNF currency because I changed my fiat currency from USD to this GNF. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.